Watch you guys, more Windows 10 woes. I come back, turn my PC on, and of course what happens is it starts to update and it gets to 98% and it's stuck at 98%. So if your Windows 10 update is stuck at a certain particular number like this one, 98% or 50% or wherever it is it's stuck at, then this video is for you. So you can see here mine is completely stuck at 98% and won't move forward. Eventually I did get a blue screen of death like this one, and this is the one that was on my system, and what I did was I restarted the computer. Now what you want to do is full shut down the PC by pressing the power button on the computer, and do that 3 times. Eventually you will get the choose an option screen. You can go into here and go into advanced options, and what you want to do is go to uninstall updates. Click on uninstall updates. You'll get 2 choices: uninstall the latest feature update or uninstall the latest quality update. I'm going to uninstall the latest quality update and then choose my user profile. Make sure you choose the right one which you was using while you was updating. Mine was called Change Me, and I'm going to continue here. You may need to put your password in if you've got one. I don't have one. And now I can click on uninstall quality update. I can now click closed, and this will then fix and resolve that issue. Now obviously it will try to attempt to update again, so you may want to disable that if you want to stop the update coming back down. But I'm just going to push continue to Windows 10 here. This does take a bit of time. It will go black, the screen, but don't worry, it's just removing that update for you. And it's a frustrating thing, and Windows 10 need to fix it, but hopefully people will see this video and see that that lovely little feature there allows you to remove the Windows 10 update from the system. You should then get the system to try to boot up again, and once it starts to boot up you may get a message saying prepare to configure Windows. It will go through the configuring Windows updates and it will go 100% complete, and there you can see now we're at the splash screen, the login screen, and it's just logging into my operating system, and we're back up and running. It's that quick and simple. So if you get it stuck on the screen, all you need to do is full shut down the PC by pushing the power button and holding it for a couple of seconds. Whether you're on a laptop or a desktop, just push the power button down and hold it for a couple of seconds. It will shut down. Try to reboot again, and basically you want to do that 3 times, and eventually it will go into that choose an option Windows screen rather than booting up to Windows, because it knows there's a startup issue with Windows 10. Then you can go through and remove the Windows update. Now if you remove the Windows feature, that could be the biggest update that they've done, and you may want to roll back. So for instance, if it was 1803 previous and now you're on 1903, then it will roll back to 1803 rather than 1903, if that makes sense. It's that simple. Choose which one you want to do and you should be up and running. Anyway, hope this one helps you out. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.